Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, today we're going to take a look at the Air Jordan 33 Utility Blackout. Let's get into it. Okay, so looking at the box, see you got the white box, the usual box for the Air Jordan 33. Maybe they'll switch it up, who knows. But you see the white box, you got the Jumpman in the middle with the circle. Okay, let's go look on the side. On this side, you see Engineered for Flight. On the other side, you have the tag with the Jumpman. Now the red tag says Engineered for Flight. That's sweet. On the other longer side, you have Engineered for Flight again. And on the smaller side, you got the tag again. So what we have is the Air Jordan 33, the Utility Blackout. Now, I'm going to keep it real with y'all, man. I was waiting on these. Y'all already know I'm a fan of a black shoe. Oh, but before we get into that, look. On the inside of the top, you got the Jumpman with the red guts with kind of like the matte feel. I forgot I was about to get into the shoes, man, before I even pull the shoes out. Now, as you can see with the paper, you got the Engineered for Flight, the Jumpman. You got the chrome finish on it. You got the chrome and the red. Comes with the card, your instructions on how to lace them up or whatnot. One side is red, the other side has the instructions on it. Alright? And now that we got that out the way, man, let's get to what's happening about this video, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 33 Utility Blackout. Now, I know a lot of people not feeling these. I know everybody be stuck on the retros and everything. But me, I like to dibble and dabble with that new technology that they be coming with. You know what I'm saying? So, I was waiting on these, man. And if y'all been following the channel long enough, y'all already know I'm a fan of a black shoe. You hear me? So, this here was a no-brainer for me. You hear me? So, let's go ahead and get into it, man. Now, looking under the bottom of the shoe, you got that translucent midsole with your black lining. You got that window in the middle so that you can see when you pull the thing to tighten it up. But we ain't gonna get all technical with it, man. I'm gonna show y'all the kicks, man. We're gonna get into this on foot and we're gonna get up out of here, you hear me? So make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I'm gonna do a little on foot with these, man, you hear me? We're gonna get up out of here, man. It's Saturday and everything, man. Look, no, it's Friday. Damn, I'm tripping. Now look, on the strap, you see you got the Engineered for Flight, everything, you know, you got y'all already see what it is, man. You hear me? I'm rushing through this, man, because I got shit to do. You feel me? So y'all already familiar with the Air Jordan 33, so it's cool if I do this here, you hear me? Now looking at the other shoe, now this is my only gripe with it, man. See that little gray stitching? It was supposed to be red. I don't know what happened. What made them change that, I don't know, but that whole little red hit was the thing that set this shoe off for me, man, you know, but I got the gray, cool. I'm gonna just rock with that, you hear me? Now on the inside of the shoe, you got the black insole with the white Jumpman. The inside of this shoe is real hard, real tough like, you know. As you can see on the back of the tongue, you got the Air Jordan 33 in red. I mean, you got your 33 on the heel tab. See that? And on the tongue. Yeah, nice little touch. Like I say, man, look, I'm a fan of these. I know a lot of people not gonna like these. Might say something crazy about them, man, you know what I'm saying? But you cop what you like, my man, you hear me? Don't let nobody tell you what you should cop and what you should like, man, you know what I'm saying? I ain't really with all the hype. You know, I go for what I like, man. You know, there's a closer look at the sole. I mean, I think it's dope, man. I'm feeling it. I'm fucking with it, you hear me? So let me know what y'all think about it, man. You feeling them? You not? Easy pass. You looking to cop them? You did cop them? Whatever the case is, man. Let me know what's up. You hear me? Now, like I say, I think they dope. I'm feeling them. You're there again. But I'm still wondering why they didn't give us the red stitching right there in the front, man, you know, but it is what it is, man. I'm talking about that shit way too long, man. Let's look at that pull mechanism on the front. You know, other than that, man, look, it's just a regular old Jordan 33, the new model. You feel me? I know a lot of people not a fan of this, but it is what it is. So that was my look at the Air Jordan 33 Utility Blackout. Follow us on Instagram at PetLazar504. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get into the on foot and I'ma holla back.